my vlog. So today I am in Sarojini Nagar. I was here last year and this time again I am back in Sarojini Nagar and I'll take you guys along. So keep on watching. Today I am with Ruchika. She's driving and she's little. रुको दोबारा हाय करो. अरे गाड़ी आ रही है. Hi. So we're just finding out parking. It's very difficult to get parking area here. हाँ लगा. भैया भैया पार्किंग इधर लगाओ नहीं. कहाँ पे लगाए? अभी पार्किंग कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रही. बेचारी रुचिका बहुत परेशान है. हमें फाइनली आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर पार्क करने वाला कोई मिला है. So let's go and shop. रचिका एक और बोला जो तुमने अभी बोला. क्या? जो अभी बोला तुमने पार्क को. तो हम फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं सरोजनी नगर. हाय कर चुके हो तुम. अब देखो पार्किंग के बाद रुचिका की शक्ल पे सुकून देखो. क्या है सुकून? उधर है सुकून उधर. हाँ. So finally in Sarojini Nagar and I'll just show you how it looks like. But by the way, if you haven't seen my earlier vlog of Sarojini Nagar, then you can just see. I will link it down somewhere in the description box. So tell me something about Sarojini Nagar.
Sarojini, well, here I am after like 4 years, and we are here to shop.
I come here every year.
What? क्या तुमने क्या बोला?
I come here every year.
Every year. Okay.
Yeah. I just so love Sarojini Nagar.
And we are like fond of shopping. And
what is there in Sarojini Nagar? It's a basically
cheap stuff.
Cheap stuff, not
yeah. Edit कर देना. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Walmart.
भैया एक साइज बड़ा होगा इसमें.
नहीं ये टीपीसी है.
See, we find Walmart stuff here. भैया कितने का है ये?
वही बोला 200 रुपये बोला है मैडम.
200?
एक बार तुम पहन के दिखाओ ना.
And this is just for 200 rupees.
मैं पहनूँ या तुम पहनो?
ये ऐसे करते हैं.
डाल देता है
100 रुपये.
200 रुपये का
100 रुपये भैया मैं 100 रुपये दूंगी. 100 रुपये.
डाल दो एक बार.
नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
एक बार डाल के देखो. उन्हें दिखा दो. करना अच्छा लगे मत.
उन्हें तो चाहिए ही नहीं ना. मुझे भी नहीं चाहिए. मैं बोल रही हूँ 100 रुपये दे रही हूँ आपको.
डाल के देख लो. अगर वो मने करेंगे 50 मान नुकसान हो जाएगा. मालिक हिसाब देना पड़ता है. 50 दे.
ऐसे करो पहले. हाय
50 करो. हेलो 50 दे दो यार मैडम जी. 50 प्लेट मान जाओ.
Came to Sarojini after a year and this is what's happening here. They don't even want us to shop. This is NDMC. Wala something people, they are coming here and
100 150 की भैया 100। हाँ
2 का 350 नहीं भैया, एक काम करो आप 2 का 200 कर दो।
2 का 2 लेनी भैया, 200 लगा लो।
नहीं चलो नहीं भैया, आंद्रे भैया चाहते ही नहीं कि हम लेके आए। भैया ले लो ना। It is currently 5:20 p.m. and I'm already super tired, super tired, but we're still shopping. And it won't be just Sarojini Nagar walk, it will be like a day in my life vlog kind of a thing. So we are finally done from our shopping and we are on our way back home, right Ruchika? Yes, we are way back home and we did quite a lot shopping. We were able to find few stuff but not that much. Sarojini is not that happening these days. Ruchika visited it for like after 4 hours and she didn't find it that good now. Seriously, Sarojini is not that good now. And the effect of demonetization is not at all on Sarojini because it was so crowded. Everyone
And
was
Paytm
there.
was
And-
also-
Yeah, so what you were saying is there is no as such effect of demonetization on Sarojini. Everyone is happy, everyone is shopping. It was so super, like it was more crowded than before.
Yeah,
Yeah?
exactly. Yes.
It was super crowded and
And because Christmas is also on the card, so people were like they were heavily shopping for Christmas and as well as for the
and
New
even
Year.
Ruchika shopped for Christmas stuff
Yeah.
and decorating her Christmas tree. So that is it, and now we are gonna take a little stopover at some restaurant on our way back home because we haven't eaten anything except from the Golgappas and that's it. That's what we had.
Yes.
And we are quite super hungry because we just had our breakfast and it's around 6. It's around
Yeah.
6 now. And we are super hungry because when you go to Sarojini Nagar, make sure you carry something to eat because it's very difficult to find something to eat, something hygienic to eat.
Yeah.
Although Golgappe were not that hygienic, but still
We
Golgappas
had
are like
street
that
food.
only.
यहाँ से,
Yeah.
left hand, no? We had street food, but we can't have all of the street food to fill our tummy. So we are
Yeah.
going to have something great from Vasant Kunj.
From Vasant Kunj
Either we'll be
Mall.
going to Big Chill or Chili's or
No, we'll be going to Vikchil only.
okay, we are going to Big Chill. So
Yeah.
we said Big Chill, so we'll be going to Big Chill.
Okay, नहीं, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है अब bye. So we are officially lost in Vasant Kunj
Yes.
and इस रुचिका को कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है.
No, we will reach our destination in
Very soon, around like 10 or
Okay,
11.
this is the airport road. Oh yes, ये रहा वो वाला इंस्टीट्यूट है ना. तुम्हें अब मैं लगे मैं फ्लैट दिखाई देती हूँ. देखो वो आगे रोड यही मोड़.
अब हमें कहाँ जाना है?
अब हम यहाँ से इसी रोड पे पीछे रह गया. पिक्चर एक बार तुम्हें फ्लैट्स दिखाऊं मैं.
हाँ दिखाओ. चलो अब हम फ्लैट्स देख रहे हैं कोई से.
टाइम लग जाएगा यार.
तुम रहने दो फिर.
U-turn तो हमें लेना ही था ना, इसलिए तुम छोड़ो, मैंने दिखाई तुम्हें.
हाँ.
यहीं से दिख जाते हैं वैसे.
So finally I hope हमें रास्ता मिल गया है और हम.
Yes, now we'll take a U-turn.
And I'm
and
super
we'll be-
hungry, super
we are going
hungry.
to hit the Big Chill. मैं भूत नहीं लग रही हूँ.
वो भैया भी दिख रहे हैं तुम्हारे पीछे मुझे. Finally here in Vasant Kunj Ambience Mall. Finally रुचिका ने हमें पहुंचा दिया एक बहुत लंबे रास्ते से.
जी नो वही
Yes, अभी तुम्हें यहाँ वाले रास्ते से लेके जाऊंगी, कितनी जल्दी पहुंचोगी.
यहाँ तो मुझे भी पता है. यार वहाँ से ना ट्रैफिक बहुत होता है.
यहाँ पे भी ट्रैफिक है रुचिका.
Maybe to just Saturday.
And we are happy. So we are finally here in Big Chill and we are just waiting for our order to come. It is around 7 p.m. now and I am super hungry, so I'll show you what we ordered and then I'm just gonna see. I've got so much of breakout there. I never get that in Canada back at home, but here it is so bad. Like my skin is so bad here. So now I'll just show you around how the place looks like, and I'm sorry I was looking there, but I should look here. So I'm gonna show you how the place looks like. Hi guys, so it's 9:30 p.m. now and we are finally done with our shopping and eating food. We are so full. We ate pasta, we ate pizza, we had Belgium chocolate shake and it was amazing. How was your experience, Ruchika?
It was really nice with you, Swati, and I really enjoyed.
And we still have lots of what? Lots of days that we can go around and we already plan our outings. So before I leave, I make sure we do day in life kind of vlog, 2 or 3 vlogs for you all.
You could have stayed for next 2 months.
I'm still here for like 18 days, not 18. 18 I still have 18 days there and make 4 or 5 vlogs. So yeah, that was it and this was my day in my life. I don't know what shopping day with me, but this is it. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these kinds of vlog. Do leave a comment in down below. Yeah, do leave a comment down below and just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, bye.